Hello everyone. So we'll be seeing how to use the speech to text endpoint in the ModelsLab. So speech to text endpoint will help you translate and convert your audios into text transcriptions. So this supports a lot of languages, like 40 plus languages. So I'll show you how to use this in Postman. First of all, you have to come to the document website. This is docs.modelslab.com. In the voice clone section, you may find the speech to text endpoint. Now here I'll just copy the endpoint I have. I'll go to Postman and just paste this endpoint here. Now here I have the payload JSON. So I'll show you what that means. You have to pass your API key. Then you have to pass the audio URL. You can transcribe your audios up to 1 hour as of now. The minimum requirement for an audio file is around 5 seconds, and you can transcribe it up to 1 hour. So, and we can pass the input language. So whatever input language you are dealing with, you have to pass the input language for the transcriptions. And timestamp level will specify what type of timestamp granularity you will need. It may be word level or sentence level, or it can be null. So it will be the default one. And yeah, I'll just go to my Postman here and I'll just generate one. So I have my request just here. I'll just make a request now. So let us see if our output has been generated. I'll go to this link. You can see my whole audio has been transcribed. We can check with the different timestamps as well. So timestamp level, will change it to word here. Let's make it to word, and we'll make another request. Yeah, this is succeeded. Let's go to see the result. You can see I have received whole audio with timestamps for the each word. Now let's try with the sentence level. It succeeded. Yeah, we got the sentence level transcription. So this is how you use the ModelsLab speech to text API. Thank you very much.